Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Excel and immediately laying groundwork. Create a new workbook and name the sheet to reflect the dataset purpose. Decide on 3 clear column headers so each field captures one type of data. For example, ID, date, category, value, notes. Once done, format the header row bold, freeze top row, and enable filters, because those small steps keep data consistent and make navigation and sorting faster as you add rows. Now you enter and clean the core rows. Type or paste data, but in force formats. Use YIMMDD for dates, ensure value is numeric, and keep category as plain text. To reduce errors, apply data validation and create drop-down lists for repeating categories. That prevents typos and speeds entry. After populating some rows, convert the range to a table, Ctrl+T. Tables auto-expand, keep formulas consistent, and preserve filters, so future data keeps structure without extra work. Finish by validating and saving the dataset. Create a quick pivot table or use SUMIFs to verify totals and find outliers. This shows whether categories and sums behave as expected. Save versioned copies and export a CSV for sharing or backup so you can revert if needed. If numbers look wrong, make sure filters aren't hiding rows, confirm column data types, and run trim on text columns to remove stray spaces. Those fixes resolve most common issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.